Mi nombre es Santiago Sánchez Bustamante, gerente de logística de Bimbo Paraguay. Elegimos JMC porque realizamos benchmark con otras operaciones y con distintos proveedores. Tenemos certificada su calidad y su performance para el tipo de servicio que nosotros brindamos a nuestros clientes. Una de las cosas que nos convenció de elegir JMC fue su fiabilidad, su bajo consumo, además de tener el respaldo de Chacomar.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Ryan from JMC China. This afternoon, it's my pleasure to attend the fleet delivery to Bimbo. Firstly, I want to say thanks for choosing JMC products in Paraguay. We are confident on our good products will provide the helps on Bimbo's business. In the meantime, JMC and Chacomar will stay with Bimbo and together and provide the good after-sales services and quality spare parts in future. As JMC, we are so proud we can become #1 Chinese brand in pickup and light truck segment in Paraguay, which cannot leave the effort made by Chacomar in the past years. Finally, JMC and Chacomar will be your best choice in Paraguay. Muchas gracias.